Hi everyone. So, how are you all? I'm happy here. I think you're also good at your places and you're fine at your places. Just be safe and control yourself not to move out. So, today's topic is uses of personal diary. So, I doesn't know who are maintaining personal diary, who are not maintaining or maintaining, I don't know, but I can say what are the uses of personal diary. I mean, in which way personal diary is useful for us. Whenever I'll write my personal diary daily, because it is useful for me. When I'm writing my personal diary, my thoughts will appear. I mean, creative thoughts will appear while I am writing. What is a diary for? The what happened in your whole day. You should write before you sleep. You should write before you move to bed. You should start with day and date, and you should write title. I mean, what diary will improve your creativity, and it will encourage you to think a lot in a good way, and many useful thoughts will appear in your brain while you are writing diary. You will come to know how to form sentence. You will come to know in which way we should write it. You can learn many things from personal diary. And you should start with date and day, then next title, and after writing what happened in your whole day, ending you should write my thought. You should put heading my thought, and you should write that what's your thought, and I mean what's your feeling, what you felt whole day, what's your feeling about the concept, what has happened in your whole day. And next, my best moment of the day. What's your best moment of the day? Like if you met somebody, that's your best moment. If you got very good thought, that's your best moment of the day. Like this you should finish your diary by writing good night. you know diary you should Diary is like your real friend, like your soulmate. Everything for what you're feeling in your heart, or what is your feelings about somebody, or what's your feeling about something, you should write everything in that. We can write, because whatever we feel, we should write in that, because it's our personal diary. If we write our problems in one book, likewise our personal diary, our problems may cool down. I mean, you can find some solution. Whenever you will look a problem deeply in your math subject, you will get some hints, or you will get something conclusion about that topic or about that problem. Like when you look your problem, which is written in your diary, you can think about the problem deeply, so that you may get good solutions. And in many ways diary is useful for your creativity, for your good thoughts. It may increase your thinking power also, because I had experienced it. I'm having habit of writing diary from my 8th standard. Now I'm 10th. So I really increased my creativity thinking and good thoughts. I can even create sometimes thoughts. I will write in my diary itself. If you write title, writing diary is like you are the director for your day. You are the producer for your life. It looks like, whenever I write title, I should think like when I written what happened in my whole day, it looks like the script of your day, concept of your day. Then you should form title, like how you form, like our director and producer, how they form title of a movie, title of a film. Like we should also form a title for our personal diary, for our personal life. Then it may increase your creativity mind, also good thoughts. Also it may increase your positive power, thinking power. How many benefits are there by writing personal diary. You will come to know what you are thinking, what are your thoughts, and what are your feelings on your something situation or some matter, what you're thinking, you should write in that. Then you can also read afterwards. You will come to know, oh, what this my feeling, good or bad? You will come to know, you will get conclusion. These many uses are there by writing personal diary. Just 5 to 10 minutes is required. If you are late thinker, it requires 20 to half an hour. But after writing your diary, just you should sleep. You should feel it as your best friend. How you share everything to your best friend, you should share for it everything. Whenever if we have some problem, if we share for others, our problem will cool down. It will just come to comfortable zone from hard zone. So this is what the uses of the personal diary. So try it once and comment how you feel, how is your feeling. Just 5 to 10 minutes is required. Thank you. Thanks a lot for your valuable time. Thank you.